model, 2021 Peugeot Boxer Relay 335 Pro L3h2 Bhdi spares or repairs tidy bodywork. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 87,687. MOT, the 15th of May 2025. Engine, 2179 cc BLUEHDI 140. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: this Boxer has had its engine removed ready for the new one. The old engine is in the rear of the van and everything looks to be there. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, air-con, sat-nav, 2 keys, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,425. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111997223.